Hi there, this is Chris from Chris Loves Crochet, and this new channel is called Crochet Recreations. I had an idea for finding a simple way to make the pieces that I really wanted to make without having to find the perfect pattern. And I know that it's really difficult to find a perfect pattern, so sometimes we find something that's almost perfect and we settle with it, or we have to make tweaks to what the pattern is that we find. And sometimes the tweaks are very difficult to do, and it's just easier to start from scratch. I began this journey of trying to recreate things and found that it was possible. Oh my gosh. And so I wanted to see if there was anybody out there who would like to take this trek with me and to recreate some of our favorite things that we already have. They wouldn't be in our closet, unless they look like my closet, but they wouldn't be in our closet unless we really liked these pieces of clothing. So, and maybe there's something that's a little bit off, or we need it a little bit bigger in some places or smaller in some places, or whatever that we are each dealing with, that we can do if we're creating it ourselves. And the way we do it in our craft is crochet. I'm not able to get out a sewing machine and just do it. I need to create something. If you want to do that with me, we're going to try to find some things that we like. We're going to try maybe making it in a different color, create a different texture, use a different weight of yarn that's going to completely change that piece in a way that people won't know that you're wearing this. It's the same thing, but it's something that you created one day and something you bought from the store the other day that's made out of fabric. Here I wanted to show you a few things that I've already done, and I'll put that at the end of the video. And I think the first thing that we're going to do is just create a mesh t-shirt. So that would be, we're going to be working more on the math. Sorry if that's a bad word for you, but on the math, I'm trying to figure out how to determine the yardage that we're going to need to use, because there's no pattern to tell us how much yardage. So it depends on what stitch you use, what crochet hook you use, what type of yarn it is, if it's bulky, if it's fingering weight or whatnot. So if you want to find a t-shirt that you really like the way it fits. And what we'll do next time is try to figure out through some simple math how to figure out how much yarn we're going to use, and then we'll put together this mesh t-shirt. So if you are interested, you could subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and then click the bell so that when I have another one out shortly on how to do that, and it'll be an actual tutorial, then you will be notified, and you can join us on our collective journey, our collective quest into this recreation of our closet. So we'll have one closet over here and one closet over there, store-bought, and oh, that's all my stuff that I made. So you may have to, take over another room and another closet. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. So hope to see you soon, and thank you for your time. And I will see you.